We've just released double support for our Box Leagues feature here at SportyHQ. So whether it's tennis, pickleball, or any sport really that involves teams of two, you can now use the feature. So here on the screen we've got one set up already in play. If you've seen our Box Leagues feature before, it'll look very familiar. In fact, the only difference is that the second column has been added to add in partner names. And of course, when you go and enter a result, it's team versus team rather than an individual versus individual. Everything else is the same. So let's go see how we got here. We'll head back to our club admin page and we'll just create a new Box League. Create Box League. Okay. So it doesn't really matter here, we've gone through this before in a previous video, so if you have any questions you can always reference that previous one. I'll just put in a simple point system here, leave sign up off and hit submit. So that's created the league itself, okay? Now we go into the league and actually set up a cycle. Okay, so we'll just do a quick one here, maybe for December. And we'll start with an empty box. So our first cycle. Okay, so now we just need to enter in some of the partners. So we're only adding in one name from each partnership. If you know the partners at this time, you can manage it later, of course. So we'll do a few names here. Okay, that's probably enough. And we'll continue. Okay, you can see what it's done. It's obviously created the first box and then one player each partnership. So if you already know, you just list every single first player, and then we'll add the second ones in on the next screen. That's enough for us right now. Okay, and here you can see how to do it. So if I want to add in, let's add in a couple of partners just so we can see how it works. And then as soon as we add this one in, we're going to have the ability to enter a result because we've got two teams. So that's double support, very familiar to our individual edition. If the scoring system that you're using is not exactly there, please do reach out to us that we can have it added in. And finally, doubles does have its own rating algorithm in Sporty, so if you choose your Box League to be ranked, these matches will impact the rating over time.